We're finishing up all of the mock-up on our FJ45, and we're pretty much ready to tear it down to a bare frame to do all the finish welding. But also, one thing that you need to focus on when you have vehicles like this is maintenance. And important is keeping track of the fuel system, because these vehicles do sit for long periods of time. One thing that can rob power out of your engine is basically varnish and carbon buildup inside your intake runner as well as your fuel system. Hot Shot Secret's Gasoline Extreme is designed to eliminate all of that from the fuel system. One bottle will treat up to 20 gallons of fuel, or essentially one tank full, and its proprietary PEA detergents will help strip all that varnish out of the fuel system and eliminate the carbon deposits that build up in your intake runners or in your combustion chamber. It'll help improve fuel economy, give you a little bit more performance, and smooth out any rough idle that's been picked up on your engine from just sitting for so long. It's a great thing to keep around for a vehicle like this that sits for a while, but it's also great for your everyday daily driver just to keep it performing well.